Are you struggling with unexpected memory spikes when making HTTP requests? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common issue that many developers face when dealing with large responses. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when your application starts consuming excessive memory, especially when you're just trying to handle a few video files. This is a real concern for many developers, and you're definitely not the only one experiencing this. Let's take a closer look at your situation. You mentioned that your console app makes HTTP requests to fetch video data, but one of the videos is unusually large, causing your memory usage to spike to around 1 gigabytes. This leads to a task was canceled error. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's happening here? When you request a large file, the HTTP client may hold onto that memory longer than expected, leading to high memory usage. This can be concerning, especially if you want to ensure your application runs smoothly. Stick around, because at the end of this video, I will share some tips on how to manage memory effectively when dealing with large HTTP responses. First, let's address the memory usage issue. The user should consider using a different approach to handle large responses. Instead of loading the entire response into memory, they can stream the content directly to a file. To implement streaming, the user can modify the save file from endpoint method. Instead of using read as stream async, they should directly copy the content to the file stream. Next, to release memory after the request, the user should ensure that the HTTP client is disposed of properly. This can be done by using a using statement or calling dispose explicitly. Now, regarding the content length, the user can check the headers of the response before reading the content. This can be done by using the getAsync method with the HTTP completion option.response headers read option. Finally, the user should monitor memory usage during testing. They can use tools like the Visual Studio diagnostic tools to analyze memory allocation and identify potential leaks. Fun fact: did you know that the largest video file ever recorded was over 1.5 terabytes? That's a lot of data. Thankfully, most of us don't have to deal with files that big. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggests ensuring that you dispose of the HTTP response message after use. This helps manage memory more effectively. The user also recommends using the HTTP option.response headers read option when making requests to stream large responses efficiently. Additionally, it's important not to create a new HttpClient instance for every operation. Instead, consider using HttpClient Factory for better performance and management of HttpClient instances throughout your application. Here's a pro tip: always monitor your application's memory usage during development. Tools like Visual Studio's diagnostic tools can help you identify memory leaks and optimize your code. And there you have it. By implementing these strategies, you should see a significant improvement in how your application handles large HTTP requests. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.